we are the first middle school in Volusia County to have academies, and we currently have 6 full-blown academies at my school, where roughly 3/4 of my students are in an academy. Our performing arts band has over 200 kids, our chorus is about 180, and our orchestra is growing and has about 45 kids in it. And we are the only middle school that currently offers guitar classes. So we're really moving forward.
Deltona Middle being a very young community, I think it lends us to a contemporary look, which on a busy road like Enterprise Road, I think is exciting. Really, this replacement school helps in a number of ways to make a real entry feature into the Deltona community, both through its name as Deltona Middle, as well as through its programs. And then finally, it will be a 21st century school that will be able to speak volumes in and of itself. I'm excited about that.
And we're excited because we know with the academic programs we have in place, with the support we get from the district office of Volusia County Schools, we're going to be a destination school, and that's our goal, is to be the kind of school that kids want to come to, people want to work at, and even more importantly, that other educators from around the state of Florida will want to come and visit, not just because of the beauty of the structure, but also to see what we're doing with our kids and how we're outperforming other schools and doing great things as far as academic performance of our students is concerned.